IBM Cloud Solution Tutorials show you how to build, deploy and scale applications on IBM Cloud. They provide step-by-step instructions on how to implement common patterns. They also include information on how to deploy applications on OpenShift, how to use the service mesh, and how to deploy microservices with OpenShift. But first, to get started, you need to install the IBM Cloud CLI. To do so, you can use the IDT installer. As you can see here, I'm downloading the IDT installer and I'm running it. You can also do this as a two-step process. For those that do not like to curl things to bash. This will download and install all of the required tools to get started with IBM Cloud. Once you have the solution tutorial started steps complete, you can take a look at some of the patterns. For example, for OpenShift, you can deploy a scalable application. It takes advantage of the IBM Cloud Container Registry as well as the Red Hat OpenShift on IBM Cloud offerings, and you can see the overall architecture here. For service mesh on OpenShift, you can take a look at the architecture and see how you can use Istio. This concludes our tutorial.